Look at this new 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR 9900 pounds, 4490 kilograms, mirrors, outside high visibility vertical camper style, black, emissions, federal requirements, jet black dark ash, vinyl seat trim and the trailering equipment. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.